as mobile devices are being used more and more often for tasks that could once only be accomplished on a desktop computer. One thing has become blindingly clear. The mobile world is taking over surfing the internet. To be honest, it is not simply surfing either. Everything from shopping online to checking email and participating on social networks is now being done on a variety of mobile devices. Because internet usage on mobile devices is steadily increasing, it is more important than ever that your website design is one that is mobile friendly. Typically, this concern is not a major one. You can have a website design that is meant for users of desktops, as well as one that is meant for mobile users. The question is this: is it possible for a design that will function equally well for both mobile and desktop users? The answer to this question is yes. This type of website design is known as responsive design. What exactly is responsive design? Responsive design typically refers to a website that has been built in such a way that all of its content, as well as the images and even the structure of the website, stays the same regardless of the type of device that it is used on. In other words, when a user visits the site from a desktop computer, they will get the entire view of the site. When users access this same site from a tablet, laptop or smartphone, the site will remain the same, with the site just being made a bit smaller in order to fit the smaller screen size. To put it another way, you will not need to worry about the necessity of having a variety of sites for the various devices, or even need to make sure that the site will function as it should on mobile devices. Staying ahead of your competition. It is no secret that, when it comes to the world of business, it is important to stay ahead of your competition. That means that if more users are turning to using mobile devices to make purchases or search the internet, you must be able to cater to your target demographic by having a website that is mobile friendly. In fact, studies show that a whopping 85% of adults are of the belief that a website design for a mobile site has to be at least as good as the website design for a desktop site. If that isn't convincing enough, try this. Companies that redesign their website to one that is responsive have seen mobile conversion rates that have tripled in no time at all. The number of site users has been seen to double in many cases. Staying ahead of the competition by having a website design that stands out can make all the difference in the world. The chances are good that your competition isn't using a responsive design yet. This means that they are missing out on opportunities that you can capitalize on.